Let's now talk of Kamal Haasan, because that controversy refuses to die down. Remember, the Southern superstar, during an audio launch of his upcoming movie called Thug Life, said that Kannada was born out of Tamil. Now, this comment of Kamal Haasan sparked an outrage across the state of Karnataka. There were protests by pro-Kannada groups, and the Karnataka film body also threatened to ban his film. But when he was confronted with the pointed question, the actor remained firm and refused to apologize and issued a clarification saying that he made the statement out of love. He said that if he is wrong, he will apologize. If he is not wrong, then he will not.
I think what I said was said out of love, and with a lot of historians who taught me language history, and that I didn't mean anything.
I've been threatened before, and if I am wrong, I will apologize. If I'm not, I won't. It's my lifestyle.
Meanwhile, the Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce has also made its stand clear. They will not allow the release of his film in the state until Kamal Haasan issues an apology.
My people and Kannada Sangadanagalu, ನಮ್ಮ political leaders also angry to Kamal Haasan statement. Say to Kamal Haasan, sorry for the Karnataka people. My theatre owners and distributors also no screening.
Well, as far as this controversy is concerned, the statement made by Kamal Haasan has also put the opposition bloc in a spot of bother, because now you have leaders of the Congress party from Karnataka who have voiced their opposition to the comments made by Kamal Haasan, who happens also to be a DMK ally. Now, the BJP has condemned the statement, saying that Kamal Haasan wants to create problems between the states and their respective languages.
See, Mr. Kamal Haasan is a veteran. He is in the hearts of a lot of people. He knows the culture, and I think it's time that Mr. Haasan should look into the sentiments of the people. We are not saying that Tamil is better, Telugu is better, or Malayalam is better. We are all from the same Dravidian background. There are this thing. Of course, there are different linguistic attributes and historical attributes to each language.
कई लोग उसका वैल्यू हर समय में नहीं रहते हैं. कमल हासन एक कालखंड में बहुत बड़ा एक्टर था, हीरो था, सब उसको पसंद करते थे. अभी वो पॉलिटिशियन हो गया, इसलिए उसका वैल्यू बढ़ाने के लिए, उसका प्रचार बढ़ाने के लिए कुछ बयान दे दो, यानी कंट्रोवर्शियल बयान दे दो. यही कंट्रोवर्शियल बयान दिया क्योंकि कर्नाटक में वो काम किया है, अभी भूल गया है. इधर खाना खाया है, भूल गए. इधर पानी पिया है, भूल गया है, क्योंकि केवल पॉलिटिक्स करने के लिए एंड प्रचार के लिए. ये नहीं चलेगा. कर्नाटक, तमिल और तेलुगु, मलयालम हम अलग अलग नहीं है. हम एक साथ है, एक साथ चलेंगे एंड एक साथ रहेंगे. इधर भी तमिल से, तमिलनाडु में कन्नडिगा से, हम एक साथ चलेंगे.
Well, Neha is connected with us. Neha, good morning. Well, will this controversy continue as far as Kamal Haasan's statement is concerned? There is still no apology coming.
Well, Amita, of course, this is an issue now that we're seeing, that has stoked a national debate over here about whether Kamal Haasan should apologize or not. If we're talking about Karnataka, it doesn't seem like the issue is dying down anytime soon, because on one hand are the pro-Kannada activists who continue to stage protests on ground, and on the other hand, now you have the film chamber. They've made their stand very clear. They've said Kamal Haasan's movie would not be allowed to be released over here in the state of Karnataka unless he issues an apology. And lastly, of course, you have the Karnataka government also here making it stand very clear that, this is a condemnable statement, that he must apologize, that there was no need, to make an unnecessary statement like this. Of course, while the controversy only continues to snowball, we'll really have to wait and see if at all the actor there, does come forward to issue an apology. Yesterday, what we heard from him was, with him saying that he's been issued many threats in the past, that he's not someone really who's going to apologize unless he has done something wrong.
All right. As far as the statement is concerned, because in Karnataka, the pro-Kannada groups and activists continue to protest. They have been burning his posters, tearing them apart, and also issuing a boycott with his upcoming movie Thug Life is concerned. Neha, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Heading into a short break.